Here we are on the other side. Reese got the hiccups. Hey, baby, Reese has the hiccup. No, she doesn't need to be covered up, Q. You see your animals? You see your animals, Reese? Yeah. Thank you. You see your animals? Hiccup. Hiccup. Oh, you hit your lion. That was awesome. It made a jingle noise. Yay. You like looking at your monkey? You like your monkey? Huh? Yes, that's her mirror. Should we hang that up for her, Quinn? Oh, good job, Quinn. Yes. That's very nice of you. That's very nice of you. Uh-oh, baby Reese. Uh-oh. All right, let's get that on for her, okay?